Joining us now from the White House is David Axelrod, Senior Advisor to President Obama. Mr. Axelrod, good morning.
Good morning, Harry. Good to be with you.
You and your boss have bet everything on this bill. Will you live to regret it come November?
No, I'm not going to live to regret it come November or many Novembers to come, because I know what this bill means. I know personally what it means, Harry. I have a child with a chronic medical condition. There was a time in my life when I couldn't get her the proper insurance, and it was a great big strain on my family. I know there are millions of other families with kids with pre-existing conditions who have some more security today because of what we did. I know small businesses across this country will this year get significant tax credits to pay for health care for their employees because of what we did. I know people will not be thrown off their insurance any longer simply because they become seriously ill, and there are so many things that are going to flow from this that are going to give people more security. So I have no regrets, nor do I have any fears about November as a result of this.
It's very interesting because you look at the polls, show plenty of Americans don't like this health care reform bill, but if you really look at the polls, they also don't know what's in it. It sounds like you have a monumental sales job ahead of you.
Well, the difference, though, Harry, is now the bill's a reality. It's not a theory. We're not dealing with caricatures placed on it by the opponents and by the insurance industry. We're dealing with the reality of it. And so this week, when small businesses learn that they now have tax credits, 35% tax credits to buy health care for their employees, that will be the reality of this bill. When people learn that their children with pre-existing conditions can now get coverage, that will be the reality of the bill. When people learn that the lifetime caps that insurance companies place on their coverage are no longer in place, that will be the reality of the bill. So I think as this bill gets implemented, the reality of it will, which people, those individual elements are all very popular. People will become familiar with what it is and what it isn't, right. And I think we're going to profit from that.
Republicans are going to try every procedural possibility to try and stop this as it goes through reconciliation. Do you have any doubts that this will succeed in reconciliation?
Well, no, I don't have any doubts that it'll succeed, but I also understand that the law, it goes into effect today. The reconciliation bill deals with some corrections and improvements to the bill, but the law goes into effect today. So we're moving forward. We're moving forward to reform the health insurance system in this country and give the American people more security, and this is a great day.
David Axelrod at the White House this morning. Thank you very much. Do appreciate it.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.